Multifunctional cleaning tool. The metal tool cleaning box is a must-clean equipment for laboratories, catering services, beauty salons and home. Perfect for various types of tools, such as nail tweezers, eyebrow scissors, towels, tableware, plastic tools and more. Protect your healthy and stuff. The UV towel warmer to have a smart induction switch which can be automatically turned off the LED light when you open the door cover. It won't hurt your eyes and skin. The inside of the device uses light, not heat. It's safe for all items. Eeffectively Work. The manicure toolbox with a wavelength of 253 nm sanitizes items from all corners without the burning smell. High-quality stainless steel construction inside are durable and resistant to rust. There are come with 2 pieces of removable tray to easy storage instruments. LED time display. The manicure cleaning tools can be adjusted the time according to your requirement to meet different needs. Transparent door is designed to check easily of process. Bottom protective feet. There are 4 protective feet on the bottom of the tool cabinet to protect the table from being scratched by friction with the table. Top reviews from the United States. Great little sanitizer machine for nail implements. It came and works as described. The only problem I had was the fuses were broken when I unboxed the sanitizer because the rings used to remove the tray were in the same baggie.